Hello friends and welcome to another tutorial on Geeks for Geeks. In this video, we are going to understand the program which converts a BST to a binary tree such that sum of all greater keys is added to every key. First, let us take an example. For the given input, node 5 will be replaced by 13 plus 5 and node 2 will be replaced by 13 plus 5 plus 2. Next, let us see the approach. We do a reverse in order traversal and keep track of the sum of nodes visited so far. Let this sum be sum. For every node currently being visited, we first add the key of this node to sum. Then change the key of current node to sum. When a BST is being traversed in reverse in order, for every key currently being visited, all the keys that are already visited are all greater keys. Next, let us see the algorithm. Let us also have a sample tree to test our algorithm. We pass the root node, that is 5, to add greater function, so root will point to 5. Next, we take a sum variable and initialize it to 0. Now we call the add greater util function with root and sum passed as parameters. Since root is not null, we recur for the right subtree. So we pass the right child of 5, which is 13, using a call stack. Again, as root is not null, we pass the right child of 13, which is null. So root will point to null. Since root is null, we return to the previous call. Execution for node 13 is resumed and now we update value at there. So we add root's key to sum ptr, hence sum ptr becomes 13. Next, we update root's key to sum ptr, so 13 remains 13 and we pass the left child of 13, which is null. So root points to null. Since root is null, we return to the previous call and finish execution for node 13. Execution for node 5 is resumed and now we pass add 5 to sum pointer, hence sum ptr will be 18. We set root's key to sum ptr, hence 5 will be replaced by 18. Next, we pass the left child of the new root, which is 2. So root will point to 2. Since root is not null, we pass the right child of 2, which is null. Now as root points to null, we return to the previous call. Next, we update sum ptr by adding 2 to it. We replace root's key with sum ptr, so 2 will be replaced by 20. Next, we pass the left child of our new node 20, which is null. So root will point to null. Since root is pointing to null, we return to the previous call and finish execution for root 20. Execution for root 18 is also over and we have the final tree. With this, we come to an end of this tutorial. For any doubts or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.